Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of YoLive team. I am here. Today's our topic is G8 organization. The history of G8 organization. The group of 8 was an intergovernmental political forum from 1997 until 2014. It had formed from incorporating the country of Russia into the group of 7 and the resumed operating under the name after Russia was disinvited in 2014. The forum originated with a 1975 summit hosted by France that brought together representatives of 6 governments: France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States, thus leading to the name Group of 6 or G6. The summit came to the known as Group of 7 or G7 in 1976 with the addition of Canada. Russia was added to the political forum from 1997, which the following year became known as G8. In the March 2014, Russia was suspended indefinitely following the annexation of Crimea, whereupon the political forum name reverted to G7. In 2017, Russia announced its permanent withdrawal from the G8. However, several representatives participant but originally could not host our or chair summit. The 40th summit was the first time the European Union was able to host a chair summit collectively in 2012. The G8 nation comprises 50.1% of 2012 global nominal GDP and the 40.9% of global GDP. G7 can refer to the member state in aggregate or to annual summit meeting of the G7 head of government. G7 ministers also meet throughout the year, such as the G7 finance minister, who meet 4 times a year, G7 foreign minister or a G7 environmental minister. Each calendar year, the responsibilities of the hosting the G8 was rotated throughout the member state in the following order: France, United States, United Kingdom, Russia, suspended Germany, Japan, Italy, and Canada. The holder of the presidency sets the agenda, hosts the summit for that year, and determines which ministerial meeting will take place. In 2005, the UK government initiated the practice of inviting 5 leading emergency markets: Brazil, China, India, Mexico, and South America, to participate in the G8 meeting that came to be known as G8 plus 5. But this practice was short-lived, with the G20 major economies growing in stature since the 2008 Washington summit. World leaders from the group announced at their Pittsburgh summit in September 2009 that the group would replace the G8 as the main economic council of the wealthy nation. Nevertheless, the G7 retained its relevance as a steering group for the West, with special significance appointed to Japan. History of G8 organization. Following 1994 G7 summit in Nepal, Nepalese Russian officials held separated meeting with the leader of G7 after the group summits. This informal arrangement was dubbed the Political 8 P8 or a colloquial G7 plus 1 at the invitation of UK Prime Minister Tony Blair and US President Bill Clinton. President Boris Yeltsin was invited first as a guest observer, later as full participant. It was seen as a way to encourage Yeltsin with his capitalist reform. Russia formally joined the group in 1998, resulting in the Group of 8 or a G8. Food. A major focus of G8 since 2009 was been the global supply of food. At 2009 Alcoa Summit, the G8 members promised to contribute $22 billion to the issue. By 2015, 93% of the funds had been dispersed to projects like sustainable agricultural development and educate emergency for AIDS assessment. At the 2012 summit, President Barack Obama asked G8 leaders to adopt the new Alliances for a Food Security and Nutrition initiative to help the rural poor producer more food and sell it in thriving local and regional market as well as one global market. The Russian participant suspension.